secure challenges, a series of operational strategies have been developed, which is aimed at strengthening our capabilities to effectively deliver on our constitutional mandates. First and foremost, modalities for the creation of a new special squad, the Special Intervention Squad, has been initiated. This special squad shall consist of 40,000 specially trained elite officers. The squad will be formed by selecting officers from the pool of the existing Police Mobile Force, PMF, personnel, and all tactical units in the country. 1,000 personnel from this new squad will be deployed to every state of the Federation for immediate operations as standby intervention units. More troubled zones, however, we shall effect the withdrawal of PMF personnel from VIP escort / guard duties. While the protection of dignitaries remains paramount, it is imperative that we align our priorities to address the escalating security challenges faced by the nation as a whole. By relieving the PMF of VIP escort and guard duties, we can redirect their focus and efforts towards addressing critical security concerns that affect our communities at large. In line with my vision of building a rule of law compliant police force, it is my directive that henceforth all police convoys on routine, non-emergency movement must obey traffic lights and other traffic rules. I pledge to lead by example in this regard.
Yeah,